Hi guys, welcome to the Fit Rush. So today is going to be a comparison video of two smartwatches. One is going to be the Garmin 920 XT and the other one is going to be the Apple Watch Series 3. Let's find out which watch is better. Let's put them head to head and find out which smartwatch is the best smartwatch for runners out there. Let's go. Alright, I am about 4 kilometers into my run. So far going good. Just that the floor, the path is a little slushy. So I just wanted to give you what initial impression about the Garmin that I had. And so my initial impressions about the Garmin are the advantage of the Garmin over the Apple Watch. One, major battery life. The Garmin 920 XT, you can keep running for like 12 to 14 hours without a problem with one single charge. But the Apple Watch, it'll probably last 6 to 7 hours at best. Another advantage of the Garmin watch is that it's super light. And the third one, I personally feel that the Garmin is much more accurate in terms of kilometers than any other watch that's up there. Another one is the build quality. Now the build quality on the Garmin is unparalleled to any other smartwatch out there. That thing can take a serious beating. Although the Apple Watch is quite durable and strong, it can get a lot of scratches and scuffs, making it a little difficult to deal with it. Another disadvantage of the Apple Watch, unlike the Garmin can pair with either an iOS device or an Android device. But whereas the Apple Watch will pair only with an iPhone. So if you're buying an Apple Watch, or rather, if you want to use an Apple Watch, you need to have an iPhone with you. Now that we covered the Garmin, let's get on to some of the disadvantages of the Garmin and some of the advantages of the Apple Watch. Now, the main disadvantage that I see is the Garmin 920 XT does not come with an onboard heart rate monitor. So you have to buy an external heart rate monitor and mount that to your chest. Only then you'll get to know your heart rate. That's one major disadvantage. Whereas the Apple Watch comes with an amazing inbuilt sensor which you can easily get to know your heart rate. Okay, according to me, this is totally a personal opinion. I personally feel that the Apple's user interface is far better than that of the Garmin's. That's probably because the Garmin is a proper focused triathlon watch, the 920 XT, whereas the Apple Watch is a complete smartwatch. A common disadvantage of both the watches. Both the watches, you can only charge them if you have their proprietary charger. You cannot charge them with any other charger out there. So if you end up losing the charger, it's going to be a problem for you. So make sure that you know that. terms of price point, I think both the watches are almost the same. The Garmin 920 XT being a little cheaper than the Apple Watch Series 3, but if you end up getting it with the bundle, then it almost adds up to the same price. Alright guys, now I'm done with my 6-kilometer run. I hope the review of those two watches were beneficial for you. So I gave a side-by-side comparison of the Garmin 920 XT versus the Apple Watch Series 3. These were my advantages and disadvantages of the watches. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you again with another video. Stay safe, stay fit.